add 10 to 20% safety margin. We've all heard this. Sometimes it's written on the drawing, sometimes it's said casually in a meeting, sometimes it's added silently, just to be safe. Oversize the pump, oversize the heater, oversize the chiller. Nobody questions it, because it feels responsible. But in real systems, this habit quietly causes problems. The belief behind it is simple. More margin means more safety. If something changes, if loads increase, if assumptions are wrong, the margin will protect us. It sounds logical. It sounds conservative. But systems don't behave like spreadsheets. Before we go further, let's be very clear. This is not an anti-safety argument. This is not about cutting corners. This is about blind margining, adding margin without understanding how it affects the system. Safety is critical, but safety comes from understanding systems, not from oversizing everything. Here's the part most engineers never see clearly. Margins are not neutral. When you add margin, you don't just increase capacity, you change how the entire system operates. You shift operating points. You disturb balances. You alter interactions between components. The system you calculated is no longer the system you built. Let's make this practical. You oversize a pump for safety. Now the pump wants to deliver more than the system needs. So what happens? You throttle valves. You restrict flow. You burn energy as losses. The pump runs far from its efficient point. Not safer, just inefficient and stressed. The margin didn't protect the system. It forced the system into an unnatural operating state. And here's where it gets dangerous. Margins don't exist alone. You add margin on the pump, then on the heater, then on the chiller, then on piping. Each margin shifts something. Together, they stack, interact, and amplify losses. One margin might be manageable. Stacked margins quietly break system balance. This is where playing safe backfires. Oversized systems often run unstable. Frequent start, stop cycles, control valves hunting, alarms triggering, equipment wears faster, control becomes harder. Ironically, systems designed to be safer often become less reliable. Oversizing doesn't remove risk, it relocates it. The most uncomfortable truth is this: margins are often used to hide uncertainty, unclear loads, poor assumptions, unknown operating conditions. Instead of resolving these uncertainties, we bury them under extra capacity. But margins don't fix uncertainty, they hide it. Good engineers take a different approach. They don't add margin everywhere. They identify where uncertainty actually exists. They ask, what varies? What matters? What truly needs protection? And then they apply margin deliberately, where it preserves system balance, not where it destroys it. This is not conservative engineering. This is mature engineering. Here's the unfiltered truth. More margin does not automatically mean more safety. In real systems, margins don't fix uncertainty. They hide it. Safety comes from understanding systems, not oversizing them. This is Engineering Unfiltered. Real engineering, no filter.